Today we want to look at matrix multiplication proper. In the last class we did the scalar multiplication where we multiplied a matrix by a constant. But today we want to look at multiplying one matrix by another matrix. So we have two matrices here, which is P and Q. And we're asked to calculate P times Q. So let's do it. Now the way to do this is you multiply the first row of P with the columns of Q. After multiplying the first row with the first column of Q, you still multiply that first row of P with the second column of Q. The result will be on the row of the matrix we are trying to get. Then you come to the second row of P, you multiply that second row of P with the columns of matrix Q. That is after the first column, you multiply it with the second column. So let's go. Now starting with the first row of P and the first column of Q. Let's go. We have 1 times minus 2. That is 1 times minus 2. Then plus 2 times 3. 2 times 3. And then plus 5 times 2. 5 times 2. Then come over to this side. Multiplying the second column. We have 1 times 1. 1 times 1 plus 2 times 1. 2 times 1. Then plus 5 times 4. 5 times 4. Right? Now coming to the second row of P to multiply it with the columns of Q. We have 3 times minus 2. 3 times minus 2 plus 1 times 3. 1 times 3. Then plus 2 times 2. 2 times 2. Now coming over here to multiply that second row with the second column, we have 3 times 1, 3 times 1, then plus 1 times 1, 1 times 1, then plus 2 times 4, 2 times 4. So, and this will give us, now 1 times minus 2 will still give us minus 2, right? Then plus 2 times 3 will give us what? 6. Plus 5 times 2 will give us what? 10. Now over to this side, we have 1 times 1 will give us 1. Plus 2 times 1 will give us 2. Plus 5 times 4 will give us what? 20. Now to the second row, we have 3 times minus 2 will give us what? Minus 6. Plus 1 times 3 will give us 3. Plus 2 times 2 will give us what? 4. Now over to this side, we have 3 times 1 will give us what? 3. Plus 1 times 1 will give us 1. Plus 2 times 4 will give us what? 8. And this will be equal to, now 10 plus 6 is 16 minus 2. That is 14. I have 14. And here we have 1 plus 2 plus 20 to give us 23. And here we have 4 plus 3 give us 7. Then minus 6 give us 1. And then here 8 plus 4, 3 plus 1 plus 4, that is 12. So and this is it. So this is the final answer. So when you multiply matrix P with matrix Q, this is what you will get. Now practice with this one. If you have matrix A to be equal to, you say 1, 2, 4, 3, and then matrix B to be equal to 1, 1, 3, 5. And I want you to get A times B. See you in the next class. Thank you.